Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about an important AI tool where you can generate a fresh contents. So thereby you can generate a common content using that AI tool, and also it is a fantastic option to rewrite our contents. So thereby, in order to reduce plagiarism, you can make use of this tool. So let us go on to today's video and explore what that AI tool is about and how that AI tool will be very useful for our research support and research article preparation. So the AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that Eloise AI. So you can see here, write better and faster with Eloise AI. So Eloise is a productivity focused AI writing tool that enables business entrepreneurs and content creators to shift to produce high quality content. So after logging in through your Eloise AI, you will be getting a dashboard like this here. So these are the different categories where you can write and create different contents. This is the tool which is especially for writing alone. So writing different things. So in order to write the contents, you can choose this kind of tools too, right? Because the tool which is only for writing only biggest database of contents they are having regarding writing. So let us see on what are the important options here in this tool. So the templates, you can see here: blog title writer, blog intro writer, blog outline writer, blog paragraph writer. So all these four can be useful for our research article preparation, especially for our introduction part of our research article. So first I am going to explore that blog intro writer. I am going to click here. So title, what I am going to give is impacts of renewable energy in power sector. So this is the title. Here topic is renewable energy need in power sector for future with statistical data. So like that I am going to give. So in keywords I am going to give renewable energy, next to solar, next to wind, next to biogas. So like that I am going to give some keywords here. Next here you will be having different options: formal, informal, optimistic, professional. I am going to give professional. So here you can see the different languages also here: English, Spanish, Dutch, French, Italy, Portuguese. So like that different languages are here. So you can choose what are the language you want. So I am selecting English. So after that I am going to give create content. So let us see how Eloise will generate content for that particular title. So renewable energy including solar power, wind, biogas are becoming increasingly important in power sector as the world looks towards more sustainable energy future. The demand of renewable energy is being driven by concerns over climate change, pollution and the need for energy security. In this article we will explore the impacts of renewable energy in the power sector and highlight some key statistical points that demonstrate its growing importance. So like that you can give. So if here it is an intro writer, so thereby it will generate intro for that. So what we are going to do is we are going to use another thing is called paragraph writer. You can see here blog paragraph writer. So here you can give blog paragraph title. So I am going to give the same topic: impacts of
renewable energy in future power sector. So I am going to give the same thing here: renewable energy uses in power sector. So like that I am going to give the future trends with statistical data. So keyword I am going to give the same again: renewable energy, and then solar, wind, biogas. So like that I am going to give. So next I am going to select again professional, going to give create content. Let us see how it will generate content for that particular title we have given or topic we have given.
So here you can feel the difference between an introduction and a paragraph. So here you will be seeing that renewable energy is rapidly changing the face of power sector with solar, wind, biogas playing increasingly important roles. As the cost of renewable energy technologies continues to decrease, their adoption is skyrocketing across the. In fact, statistics show that renewable energy accounted for about 70% of new power capacity added globally in 2019 alone. This shift towards renewable energy has significant impacts on reducing greenhouse gas emissions. Like that, a detailed content is generated using this paragraph. So in order to generate an intro, you can use that option. In order to generate a paragraph, you can use this option. So this is a fantastic difference between a introduction and a paragraph. Thereby you can make use of this option to generate content for your introduction part of your research paper. Thereby you can continue with your literature survey also. So this is a options available. Next, you can check the blog outline writer. So here you can give the same thing, title, etc. So thereby you will be getting that is outline of the blog. This outline will be very useful for our project report preparation, research article preparation also. So now you can see here I have given the same title again, same title, intro, and again. So here you will be generating the outline for the particular blog. So blog or any content. So introduction, exploring the increasing use of renewable energy in power sector. Next, benefits of solar energy in the power sector, wind energy, biogas energy. Then examining the impacts of renewable energy of power sector, analyzing efficiency, cost, and environmental impact. So like that it will generate outline for the content you have given. So thereby you will be getting a proper outline for your project report or any subtopic for your research articles. So and also you can see a blog conclusion writer. So you will be check which we can check that one also. So give a title. Here you can see that conclusion for this particular thing is generated. So renewable energy has a significant impact in power sector. As discussed in this article, renewable energy has been numerous benefits for environment and economy. So the conclusion generated is like for an article. So thereby you cannot use the same as for a conclusion for your research article. So you can take some of the points which will focuses on the advantages of the topic you have given and outcomes of the topic you have given. So like that you can take some of the important points your conclusion writing. So don't take this same conclusion, copy and paste in your project report or research article, because it the view on this conclusion will be as a blog conclusion. So other than that, these are the important option you can make content with this Eloise AI. So other important option is that you can see product description writer, short text hook writer, Amazon product description, Amazon writer, social media content plan, Instagram caption writer, Instagram hashtag, so YouTube videos and titles, YouTube video description, Google ad titles, Google ad description. So like that, reviews writer. Next one is text summarizer. So here we will check how this summarize the text. So for that I am going to open some common content. Here you can copy and paste the content. So and then click the mode, that is formal, informal, optimistic, professional, like that. I am going to again give professional. Next I am going to give create content. So let us see how it will rewrite the content. Here you can see, summarize the content. You can see the summarized text for the particular paragraph is generated. So most probably it will be grammatically correct. You can make use of this option to analyze the content you have created, and also you can check it grammatically also. Thereby you can make use of this option to write a quality writing using this Eloise AI. So you can see here what are the options is website copy, SEO, next e-commerce, related social media, ad, digital ad copy, next brainstorming session. So you can generate company brand name, etc. So next personal. In this personal you can write a personal letter for your family also. So these are the very important options available in this Eloise AI. You can make use of this Eloise AI to generate better content for your project report or research article preparation. An important announcement that we are going to conduct online workshop on 24th June on the title Mastering Conference and Journal Paper Writing with ChatGPT and AI Toolbox. So the content what we are going to discuss on the day is that, so introduction to conference and journal paper writing, write effective abstracts and introduction, art of literature review and related work, methodology and experimental design, results analysis and discussion, writing clear and coherent sections, leveraging ChatGPT and AI Toolbox for paper writing. So in these sections we are going to discuss how ChatGPT will be very useful for research article preparation, and what are the important prompts to be given to ChatGPT to generate a better content for your research paper, and section wise what are the AI tools can be very useful for your research article preparation. So like that we are going to generate contents, and then we are going to check for plagiarism also, how AI will detect plagiarism, and how to avoid the plagiarism while it is directed as an AI generated content. So these are the things we are covering in this workshop. Hope this workshop will be very useful for you. Do register on this workshop. The details of this workshop will be given on description. So hope this video will be very helpful for you. Thank you for watching our videos. Have a nice day. Thank you.